Okay, so now I would like you to make a graph showing the information you have in your statement from the previous slide. Okay, and I'll just go over an example so you can look at this example while you're doing yours if you need to. Okay, first thing I want you to do over here in the directions, write the x-axis label. Okay, the x-axis label in your previous statement would be the very last word. Okay, so my example was I drink 3 cups of coffee every 1 day. Okay, so my x-axis label would be days. So I'm going to click on top of the x-axis label and just type in the word day. Click to get out of it. Okay, second thing, number the x-axis using the multiples of the number in front of your x-axis label. Okay, so my problem was 3 cups of coffee every 1 day. Okay, so it's the word, it's the second to last part of your statement. So mine's 1 day. So I'm going to start counting by ones. And again, just click near the tick mark. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm counting by ones. Okay, number 3, or third thing, write the y-axis label. Okay, so my y-axis label is actually the word in front of the word every. Okay, so mine was I drink 3 cups of coffee every 1 day. Okay, so the word in front of every is cups of coffee, the words. So I'm going to put cups of coffee. Oops. I'm trouble spelling. Click out of it. Okay, and then on the y-axis, number the y-axis using the multiples of that number in front of the y-axis label. Okay, so mine was 3 cups of coffee every 1 day, right? So 3 cups of coffee. So I'm going to count by threes. So starting with the first tick mark, 3, add another 3, 6, add another 3, 9, 12. Okay, so here's the start of my graph. I have the labels, I have the numbers. Okay, number 5. Drag the dots to show your information. Okay, now just kind of think about this. I drink 3 cups of coffee every 1 day. Okay, I drink 3 cups of coffee every day. So think about one. I like to go along the x-axis when I do this. So in 1 day, how many total cups of coffee have I drank? So that would be 3. So I'm going to put a point right there. Drag it over. Okay, if I drink 3 cups of coffee every 1 day, how many cups will I have drunk after 2 days? Okay, that'd have to be 6. So I put a point right above 2 to be 6. Okay, if I drink 3 cups of coffee every 1 day, after 3 days, 9. Okay, follow the pattern. 12. After 4 days, it'd be 12. After 5 days, it'd be 15. Okay, so there are my points. Okay, last thing I want you to do is draw the line. If you click right above or right below the word arrange, looks like. You click on that, and then you click on your drawing. I'm going to start at 0, 0, okay? Click on your drawing, and then drag the line. Well, sometimes it takes some work. Drag the line so it goes through the points. And we'll talk about all of this later in the year, but these will go through 0, 0 because they're proportional. So I just kind of knew to start at 0, 0. Okay, if I extended it, it would go through 0, 0. Okay, click off of that, and you've got it. Okay, and again, this is something we're going to work on all year long. I do not expect you to be an expert at this at all. I just want to get some information from you so we can use it in class throughout the year. Okay, let me know if you have questions.